The date is November 9th, 2015. I was going to promise you that I was going to put this video in to do an install of the servers and SAM, but I wanted to get this video in before I did that. This video is basically explaining to you another issue that I ran into. I looked at the rack space and did some measurements on the new equipment that's going to arrive, and basically I'm out of rack space. I can install the new servers and the new SAN, but it's going to be very, very tight, and the placement is not going to be where I really want it. So what I have to do is, in the rack I've got the two firewalls, as I showed you earlier. The top one being the main firewall, and the bottom one being the DMZ firewall. The solution is to actually try to get rid of this DMZ firewall. What I need to do is to move the DMZ part of my firewall up to that main firewall. Because of the way this is configured and the way that AT&T is delivering me my private IP space, this isn't working. For whatever reason, I'm having problems putting the DMZ zone onto the network of the other outside network, because it's a weird transparent firewall bridge configuration, and just could not get it to work. My other option is I do have another 2811 that I can use. What this is basically going to do for me is free up some rack space. It's a 1U where the 3745 is 4U. So I'll grab that space back. So currently I've got the CCIE lab set up for this. I've connected it up and am currently doing the configurations, get this to work one way or the other. So once I get that done, I'm actually going to take you through that, the removal of the other firewall and the installation of the new DMZ. I have to get this to work. There's no other option. So that's what I'll do. So that was a quick video just to tell you how I'm going to stage this. So I don't want to install any of the equipment until I solve this problem with the firewalls. So in the next video I'll take you through that. By that time I will have the config written up and tested, and I will actually install that. And then I'll just install the servers and or the firewalls and get those up and running, and then I'll install the SAN and the new server. I should be able to get to that hopefully tomorrow, but we'll see. It might be the weekend before I get to that. So that's it from here, but just giving you an overview of where I'm actually going to go to next.